Welcome to the Webgility Portal series, where we'll walk you through the different options and areas available to you with your Webgility subscription. In this video, we'll cover updating your Webgility desktop software or extension, and downloading store modules for your sales channel connections that might require them. Webgility is always undergoing changes and improvements to make processes easier and fix any issues. This means that in order to get access to these updates, you'll need to download the latest version of the software from Webgility directly. But don't worry, we'll always let you know whenever you have a new version available. To download the latest version of either the Webgility desktop application or the Webgility online extension, log into portal.webgility.com and click on the Downloads section on the left-hand side. Depending on your plan, you'll be taken to a screen that lets you download Webgility, showing you system requirements, release notes, and the current version number. This is where you'll always find the latest release of the Webgility software. However, if you're using the Webgility Online product, this screen will look a little different, showing you a Webgility extension download instead. But similar to the desktop product, this is where you'll always find the most up-to-date version. No matter what plan you'll have, you'll see an option to download the Webgility Store module. A store module is a compressed file directory loaded with files that allow Webgility to access the data in your store securely. This is typically required for stores that are built and managed in PHP like WordPress or Magento. To download the store module, select your store from the dropdown and click the download button to the right. From here, you'll want to navigate to your store's backend and upload the store module so we can access it. The location and method of uploading may vary from store to store, but it's generally documented when you go to connect to the store for the first time in Webgility. If you have any issues or questions here, feel free to reach out to your implementation specialist or our support team, but there's also a video how-to below under the store type. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.